A lot is still unknown about the new variant, but a new advisory, as you just mentioned, is out, as well as a new vaccine mandate for another group of city workers.
I can tell everyone at this moment, based on the latest research done by our New York City Department of Health, there are no Omicron cases here in New York City at this moment.
Nonetheless, New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio says that will likely change, and quite possibly in a matter of days. Health officials expect more specific data on the Omicron COVID strain in a few weeks. However, the speed at which it's spreading abroad prompting New York City Health Commissioner Dr. Chokshi to issue a mask advisory on Monday morning.
Strongly recommending that all New Yorkers wear a mask at all times when indoors and in a public setting, like at your grocery or in building lobbies, offices, and retail stores. This includes those that are vaccinated and those who've had COVID-19.
Experts say vaccines remain the strongest weapon against the new variant. To that end, efforts to get more New Yorkers vaccinated are about to ramp up. Right now, about 88% of New York City adults have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, 81% of 12 to 17-year-olds, and 16% of New York City children between the ages of 5 and 11. City officials have also issued a new vaccine mandate. Employees in child care and early intervention programs must have gotten at least one dose of a COVID vaccine by December 20th. In addition to getting vaccinated, getting tested is also the message coming from both the current mayor and the mayor-elect.
And how we choose to respond as a city will show our resolve against this virus to each other and to the rest of the globe. I think the globe is watching New York.
Governor Hochul says no traces of the new variant have been detected in New York State, the closest case being in Canada.
I can see Canada from my house, and Ontario is right there, and there's a bridge crossing that is going to bring, we want to bring our Canadian friends in. They come in with restrictions. They are vaccinated in order to come here, so we hope that as we welcome our neighbors, that they will not be bringing any unwanted guests with them.
The governor also issuing an executive order limiting non-essential surgeries. Now, this will increase hospital capacity statewide in the event, Lori, that those beds are needed.
All right, Antoine, thank you.